Welcome back. Today I have a very interesting topic to talk about. Artificial intelligence, or as many of you would know it as for its short form, AI. From ancient times, the concept of intelligence fascinated mankind and can be traced to classical philosophers' attempt to describe human thinking as some sort of symbolic system. Some of the first exploration in artificial intelligence was by Alan Turing, who explored the mathematical possibility of artificial intelligence. Turing suggested that humans use available information as well as reason in order to solve problems and make decisions. So why can't machines do the same? The more modern approach to artificial intelligence began in 1956 at a conference in Dartmouth College in Hanover, New Hampshire, and is also where the term artificial intelligence was first introduced. Enough about the history and origins of artificial intelligence. So, what is AI? At its core, it is a branch of computer science which aims to replicate or simulate human intelligence in machines. I quote, "The major limitation in defining AI as simply building machines that are intelligent is that it doesn't actually explain what artificial intelligence is. What makes a machine intelligent?" So yes, it's a bit difficult to explain what AI is, let alone creating an artificial intelligence. But that does not stop us from trying to create AI. To put our research simply, we can say that there are three categories or branches of AI. The first of whom is the artificial narrow intelligence, also known as ANI, A-N-I, which is goal-oriented, designed to perform singular tasks. Example, facial recognition, speech recognition, voice assistance, or even searching the internet like the Google search engine. It can be programmed to do specific tasks extremely well, like playing the Chinese game of Go, where the AI called AlphaGo beat the Go master. Second is the artificial general intelligence, AGI, also referred to as strong AI or deep AI. It is the concept of a machine with general intelligence that tries to mimic human intelligence and or behaviors. There are no examples of any programs that can be considered artificial general intelligence, since replicating humans is not really a simple task. Some of the most advanced and impressive artificial intelligence out there, like Sophia Hansen Robotics, is still a long way from achieving a fully artificial general intelligence. Some say they can never achieve emotions, but I guess only time can tell us that. Finally, the third and final category is artificial superintelligence, also known as ASI or ASI, and at this stage it becomes a guessing game, since at this level no one can really be certain what will come of AI. But one thing's for sure, they would have surpassed humans in all fields. Fascinating by its own right, will AI destroy all mankind? Will they save us? Or will we develop a symbiotic relationship of some sort? It sounds more like science fiction, but it might be closer to reality than we actually think. And like I said, only time can tell. This was an introduction to artificial intelligence, and hopefully in the upcoming videos we will be going into the inner workings of AI, the neural network. If you like the content of the video, please be sure to press the like button and subscribe for our weekly videos. And if you would didn't like the content, please feel free to press the dislike button. It's a free world. You can do whatever you like. Leave us some constructive criticism in the comments below, and you will find our references in the description. Thanks for watching.